Hey, what's up everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today's video is a review video about those speakers. If you see, I was working in my office today and I felt really easy setup today, so I decided to make a video for this speaker I'm using for like a couple weeks now. Easy setup means I explained you what happened before and what it makes so easier for me to working in my office. Before, I used to use this wireless speaker, and each time I have to use this speaker, either I have to press button here to turn on and press the Bluetooth button to turn on the Bluetooth, then I have to go to my computer and check for connectivity and something else, or I have to find a remote for that one. Since my daughter sometimes use this computer, I always missing that remote. So mostly I was not using the speaker. So I decided to buy a really simple wired speaker. This one is from Fish Cover. I'm not sure what brand, I never heard it before. So I checked on Amazon and I seen it was for only $20 plus tax and shipping. I think since I have a Prime, shipping was free, so the total cost for me was $25. And it's pretty simple to operate. I have a hooked up from here to the power. Power is like a USB and this audio cable. There's two cable if you see here. USB goes on the back, audio cables goes at the front. Once you connected those two cables, that's all you have to do. You just here, you see, you come up at the speaker. There's only one dial button. That's all you have to play with. It's off, you done. You can turn off, turn on, dial to volume high and low, RGB color. As I have this keyboard and mouse, RGB keyboard and mouse, I decided to get with the RGB. I think there was another one for like just $19. That one have no lights, but this one look pretty awesome here and stand up with my setup in my office. And if you talk about the sound is really great. It's not like a bad. $25, I know what you can expect, but it's way more than what you can expect. A really great sound. So here is my own music I'm gonna play on the speaker. I cannot play any other because sometimes I get copyright claim and something. So let's start this one. It's only 30% sound right now, and you can hear like how the speaker performing. It comes in this package, pretty small package, and have all the information on it. There's not much instruction manual or anything. That's all you get, and you get the speaker inside. You just take it off. One end of the cable is permanent inside, it's a hardwire. Other end is go to the computer. At the bottom, if you see, there's a little like a double tape. You can also stick it to the table so it doesn't move. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like my video. If you like, please share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with the new topic.